In our school, we speak more than just words. We share stories, cultures, and dreams. 你畫得真係靚啊！
你的想法真有創意。
Let's combine our ideas together. Then we can create something amazing.
Using different languages help us understand each other and work better together.
This word means friendship. It's about caring and helping.
朋友
Language is not just for speaking, it's for building bridges.
What's something special about your culture?
在我们的节日里，我们会和家人一起吃饭。When we understand each other, we grow closer, like one big global family.
Hello. 你好。
你好。
In Hong Kong, we're biliterate and trilingual. Our voices connect the world, starting from school.